Hey folks! Welcome back to another video in our cyber series of ATtiny85 key insertion. In our previous episodes, we went through the basics of understanding what the ATtiny85 is, installing its drivers, and highlighting crucial considerations before getting your hands on your very own ATtiny85. In today's episode, we're keeping it practical with a simple example. We'll show you how to transform your ATtiny85 into a nifty device that opens YouTube with ease. Let's get started. Let's move into our Arduino code. The key concept behind this code is simple.
What? I'll f***ing hit him!
One. Guard out. Missile in blue.
Time to target, 5 seconds. Termination in 3, 2, 1.
Sorry. Just for fun. It's actually simple. See. You can initiate the run command by pressing the Windows key along with the R key. Next, you type in https://www.youtube.com and hit enter. Boom! Your browser will instantly open and navigate to YouTube. Now, we're about to program the ATtiny85 to autonomously send these keyboard commands to your Windows system as soon as you plug in the device. It's like having a little keyboard magician at your service. First off, we include the essential Digikeyboard header file in our code. This file keeps our ATtiny85 in the loop about the ASCII codes corresponding to the commands we give. In the void setup, there's no need for explicit initialization as the Digikeyboard header file takes care of that for us. Now, the initial delay of 500 milliseconds is crucial. It acts as a buffer, preventing data overflow. These microcontrollers operate faster than you might think. Without this delay, your controller could finish sending all commands before your computer even recognizes the device, resulting in incorrect key commands. The Digikeyboard Library employs the send keystroke function to generate and dispatch keystrokes to your computer. In this instance, we instruct the microcontroller to generate and send the Windows key and R key simultaneously, opening the run terminal. The subsequent delay of 1000 milliseconds provides a pause for your computer to fully open the run terminal. Then, you'll notice the print command. It's a command that generates multiple characters and sends them sequentially to your computer, simulating your keystrokes. Here, we instruct the controller to generate and send https www.youtube.com. Following the URL entry, we need to hit return. To do this, the code generates the return key for you. That's it. Finally, we add a delay of 90,000 milliseconds for the user to disconnect the device from the PC. If left connected, it will repeat this process every 90 seconds, like a continuous loop. Now I am uploading the code to my ATtiny85. Okay. It's done uploading. Let's check this device. I'm connecting it right now. Initially it recognized the driver. After bootloader initialization, it disconnects from the device and switch from programming mode to keyboard mode. Boom! There you go. It's working. I hope you got the idea about the capabilities of this device. Stay tuned for more updates. This is your ghost. See you next time.